It's absolutely insane how quickly artificial intelligence is taking over the world. What are your options with it? From super creative AI videos to AI rap that sounds real, creating an exact duplicate of your voice, and even AI animations. So let me show you guys the top 10 most incredible tools you can use right now. One of the first AI tools you should use, Lexica.art, an AI art generator that can create just about anything you can imagine. It is similar to Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, but is much simpler to use. So all you have to do to get started is tap on Generate. Once you've logged in using your Google account, you can type in any prompt or description you want for your artwork. For example, I wanted to see a tiny panda swimming in a teacup. Another incredible feature of Lexica is that you can alter the canvas's dimensions before clicking Generate, which will produce 3 entirely unique works of art from your description in a matter of seconds. You can actually type in well-known individuals, such as Elon Musk playing football, and the artwork will closely resemble them. However, as you can see, it does occasionally struggle with fingers and limbs, but generally speaking, all AI art models seem to have this issue. Because Lexica is online, you can also use it on your phone. However, another thing you can do is upload an image as a reference for the AI, and then the AI will generate artwork that is similar to the reference image. You can use this guidance scale to tell it how much influence from your description you want. As you can see, the AI will become more inventive and follow your description as the number rises. Also, stay around because I'll show you how to remove this and make a whole video later on. Just wait until you hear what comes next. Imagine being able to create an AI clone of your voice. Creating a new voice is as easy as scrolling to the bottom of the Descript.com website and tapping on the download link. Once the Descript application has downloaded, you can open it by selecting Voices and then right over here. The next step is to record a 10-minute clip of nothing but your voice. It's crucial that you sound like yourself during this time. So, once you've finished recording your 10-minute voice clip, drag it into Descript, where it will be automatically transcribed. You can then make any necessary changes before submitting the training data. What I really appreciate about this AI is that it specifically asks you if the voice you're cloning is yours after about 24 hours when the AI has finished reproducing your voice. Now, the next AI tool is a website called Muber.com. So now create your own AI music track by clicking on Generate a Track and selecting from a variety of genres or moods. You can mix them up and choose different ones to create your own track. What's even cooler though, is that you can actually type in a prompt, like Drake rapping in hip-hop or R&B. It will generate your own original track that has never been heard in a matter of seconds after you start playing all that jazz. Okay, for an instrumental. How awesome would it be if AI could create rap vocals? Okay, so I looked up this bizarre website called uberduck.ai to make some AI rap. To access this text-to-speech section, simply tap on Get Started, sign in with your Gmail account, and then tap on the button. Then, over here, is where you can type in your lyrics. For instance, I asked ChatGPT to create some comic lyrics about Winnie the Pooh. Then, in the drop-down menu, you can select from a variety of voices. Believe it or not, you can even select well-known rappers like Nicki Minaj. All of this is obviously just for entertainment purposes. Commercial use is not permitted. But once everything is finished, hit synthesize and listen to the song you have got.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh, he's so sweet. With honey on his nails and socks on his feet. He loves to eat that silly Oreo, but sometimes he gets stuck in his favorite chair.
The fact that it sounds so good with AI music and AI rap, it really surprised me and AI vocals. With this, you could launch a radio station with AI vocals if you wanted to. How insane? I've already shown you how to create AI arts using text, but with the help of an application called NVIDIA Canvas, which you can simply search for on Google and download from their website, things get even crazier. So once you've installed it and launched the program, you see this blank canvas on the left and this photo canvas on the right. However, the magic really happens over here with these brushes, because each brush has a description like Cloud Hill Mountain, and once you've picked the brush, you can literally start painting a realistic photo, or what you can do is paint directly on the realistic canvas and see your painting come to life in real time. Additionally, the brush sizes can be changed, and I must admit, I really enjoyed doing it. I mean, this looks like it was drawn by a 2-year-old, but the AI takes it and creates something professional. Then, once you're finished painting and satisfied with your design over here, you can actually change it to a completely different photo style while keeping your main design, and some of them look even more amazing. For example, if you want to restore an old photograph like this one, you should visit the incredible website replicates.com. Several options for restoring images are available if you scroll down and click on Image Restoration in this section. In my testing, the first option over here does a fantastic job of editing and restoring old photographs. All you need to do is upload the image you want to restore, scroll down and click Submit, and you're ready to go. After a few seconds, the AI will take that image, analyze it for any flaws like faded areas or blemishes, and completely restore it. Furthermore, this particular AI is amazing at what it does. However, there is something else we can do to make that image even better, and that is by using this color artificial intelligence, AI, called replicate.com. All you need to do is upload or drag and drop your image into the box. Make sure it is the restored image, of course, then scroll down and click Submit. Within a few seconds, this AI will have scanned your image for any objects and gray areas, adding the proper colors as it finds them. I was able to transform this original photo into this AI-improved photo by simply following these steps and using AI, and the results are simply amazing. You may have concluded that you have seen everything by this point, but then along comes Lumalabs. AI. To get started, simply log in with your Gmail account and then record a video of anything you want to turn into 3D. Make sure you circle your subject or object several times and in a variety of directions because after you upload the video and title it however you like, Lumalabs uses that information to turn the objects into 3D. The AI basically scans the video you gave it for a variety of information, such as colors, objects, and shapes, and then uses that knowledge to create a 3D model from it. And keep in mind that this was all done with just a video clip because this is an online application, you can use it anywhere. We are all familiar with ChatGPT by this point, and there is actually so much to it that I created an entire video about it. However, since making that video, I've discovered two excellent ChatGPT plugins. And the first one is known as the Summary with ChatGPT. This is a Chrome extension that you can find on the Chrome Web Store. All you have to do is add it to your extensions. Once you do that, whenever you're watching a YouTube video, if you click this icon over here on the top right side, ChatGPT will begin summarizing the video you're watching. And I must say, it does a pretty good job. The next extension you should check out, it's AI PRM FootChat GPT once you've added the extension. What this does is within ChatGPT, you'll see a whole bunch of different prompt templates that you can use to specifically make something. For example, create a human-like written article, then just type out what you need after that, hit enter, and ChatGPT will detect the prompts and make a super slick article. These AI tools are actually quite serious at this point, but let's now have a little more fun. Now, if you go to this website and perform a search for supermeme.ai, you'll discover a rather unique AI that is made with the intention of producing memes for you. All you have to do is enter a prompt, such as, "I don't know when AI takes over your job," and press the Generate button. In a few seconds, a variety of meme options appear, which you can scroll through. I won't lie, some of them are actually funny. Even some of the meme's text can be changed. In order to change the text size or even the message of the meme, you can either do so or turn on the GIF meme generator. It's crazy to think that you can genuinely create an infinite number of memes that will keep you entertained for all time, along with a bunch of hilarious GIFs that are equally hilarious. Not to demonstrate how to use the website Kyber AI to turn your images into slick AI videos. Therefore, once you're on the website, you can log in using your Google account. Then all you have to do to start creating is to start with an image. Naturally, I'll start with my tiny panda in a teacup. After that, just click Continue to Prompt, where you can type out exactly what you want your video to do. Then you can select the style you want your animation to be in, such as an crocodile turning into a robot. You can choose what kind of camera movements you want, and exactly how much you want the video to change or evolve here. As an example, I chose tech, futuristic, and cyberpunk. After that, go to Settings. Finally, click on Generate. After a short while, you will see the coolest animation video that was made from just one selection. The more you watch it, the crazier it becomes. However, you can also record a video of your own and upload it to Kyber and follow the same steps, and you will get an amazing result as well. And surely you will find all the links in the descriptions down below. Subscribe to Moneyflow to be the first one making money online, and don't forget to leave your comment down below and give it a thumbs up for more methods. Check out the last video. Thanks for watching.